Friends, today I'll be sharing you a lot of good information about copper vessel and how to wash it, and I'll tell you all its benefits too, friends. So let's get started. Friends, I'll be showing you how to wash your copper vessels today. So I just took little powder. I took Barkeeper's Friend. It's a cleanser. So just use it in a scrubber and just take one copper vessel and just rub it. You'll see how clean it starts to get. See the difference, friends. I have a lot of copper vessel today. I'm scrubbing and scrubbing. You'll just see the difference, how it is just getting. See the color of my hand. See, friends, how the color is just coming out. All the black color of the copper vessel. Now I'm doing for the main vessel. A big vessel now. See, friends. See how it is and how much difference it made of just in one scrub. So just keep scrubbing, friends. And if you feel that you need more powder, just take a little more. Yeah. So I wet a little because it is. See, friends, how the blackness and dirtiness, everything is coming out. Friends, how nice copper vessel has turned out to be. It is so much bright and nice and cleaner. And drinking water from a copper vessel is so useful. See, friends, I have a copper jug already and I have no water here. I'm pouring some water here and I always drink copper vessel. The water is so tasty. So friends, you saw I always drink water from a copper vessel, and now I'll tell you what are its benefits. Friends, the water which is stored in the copper vessel is always purified, and then you don't have to think whether there's any bacteria in the water or no, because copper has a natural tendency to kill all the bacteria, all this E. coli, all this algae and fungus. Friends, when we store this water, we should at least store the water at least for 4 hours or overnight for 8 hours. Then only it's useful. Otherwise, it is not useful. And friends, this copper vessel water is so useful that it can control your blood pressure. It can control cancer, prevent many heart diseases, and it even gives a glowing skin too. Drinking water from the copper vessel also helps in less bloating, less swelling, and it's good for immune system too. Friends, when you drink water from the copper vessel, your body will have enough copper which you don't get through food that much, because copper is very little, because we sometimes don't eat some things like chocolates or some leafy vegetables children don't like to eat. So drinking water from copper vessel is always beneficial. And sometimes, no, friends, there's in the water there will be unseen the dust particles and all. If you drink the water from copper vessel, it kills E. coli, which is very bad and which causes dysentery and loose motions. So if you drink like 2 days continuously water from a copper vessel, it will prevent diarrhea and loose motions, friends. Friends, even drinking water from the copper vessel cleanses your liver and your kidneys too, friends. Drinking water from a copper vessel even makes you lose weight, friends. So it takes out all the bad toxins again and helps you in losing weight quickly. Friends, copper vessel even is very good to give you a nice skin tone. It's really very healthy. I've been drinking this copper vessel from many years and I feel so many benefits to it. So sometimes, as I tell you, I do facials and all. I do use copper vessel water which is stored overnight, and I mix it with things and I apply on my face with any rice flour or whatever. So whenever I need water for anything for mixing on my skin too, I use copper vessel water, friends. So friends, you saw how all this aids in good information about the copper vessel, and copper vessel even removes the inflammation and tiredness and whatever you feel in your body. You'll within a month of using copper water, you'll see so many difference in your skin and your hair, and nails start growing, because everything aids in a good digestion of its copper intake, friends. So, and sometimes, no, friends, you can even clean the copper vessel with tamarind, salt, and lemon, and just scrub it, and don't use it inside much, because sometimes the copper vessel can get spoiled too. So use natural products. This was just a little information which I showed how to wash it clean with the from bar cleanser which I showed you. This copper vessel is a good thing to have at home, and always drink water from a copper vessel. So friends, if you liked my video, like it, share it, and subscribe it, friends. Till next time, signing off. Bye.